Hey, what's up guys? It's Madison and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look, which is on my face right now. And this is using makeup that I got for Christmas. So most of the products are fairly like new. And I heard a lot of good things about that I asked for Christmas. And most of the products also I have not used yet. Some of them I have, but I'm kind of just doing like a taste test. Oh my god. I'm kind of just doing like a first impression slash review slash haul of what I got for Christmas as far as makeup is concerned. So without further ado, let's get into how I accomplished this look. Hey guys, so before I get started with the makeup, I just wanted to say quickly this is going to be a talk through video, so it's probably going to be a little bit of a longer video. So get a snack, get comfortable, chillax, and let's get started. So first product I'm going to be, let me put my hair up. Honey. Okay, we'll do this weird man bun. First product I'm going to be using is the Pacifica Natural Skin Dreamy Youth Day and Night Face Cream, aka freaking moisturizer. I do 2 pumps and then put it on my face like so. Try not to eat it. If you've watched a couple of my videos, you know that moisturizer is not really new to me. I use it every day. So that one doesn't count. But most of the other stuff I got for Christmas, I promise. Next product I did actually get for Christmas, and I use it all the time, so you've probably seen it before. This is the Tarte Maracuja ? Oil, and I just do a little bit of this. Same areas, just, you know. Can we just take a moment to see how red my face gets just by like putting the slightest amount of pressure on it? Cool, I love being white. This next product is actually a little sample of the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. And this is another thing that I got for Christmas. It's just like this pinky kind of stuff. It kind of reminds me of the Professional, but not as mattifying. No shade. But that's just like my go-to, and I ran out and I'm a little bit sad about it. But I have been enjoying this primer as well. If I remember correctly, this came in like a little Sephora favorites box, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's where this came from, so that's why it's the little size. And then this is something that I did not get for Christmas, the NYX Pore Filler. And this has just been, I had this in my collection and I ran out of the Professional, so I've just been using this up, and then I'm gonna get the Professional again. But I figure I might as well use this before buying the Professional again. So I just put this like on my T-zone mainly. Now finally for a product that I did actually get for Christmas, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And I actually got color matched at Sephora. That way I would get the right color. And I have been using this for the past like week or 2. And I actually really do like this. At first, not gonna lie, I did not like it. I tried it with one of those, not like spoon brushes, but it was just too dry, especially because I have like dry combination skin. But then I did it with, I applied it with my beauty blender right here. It's very dirty. I'm really sorry about it. Not sorry at all. And I'm not gonna lie, I didn't like it because it absorbed so much of the product, because this is a very like liquidy consistency, where when you think of like high coverage, full coverage foundations, you think of like Kat Von D and Tarte, and like I haven't tried the Huda Beauty one, but it looks like a thicker consistency. So I was really confused, but I would say it's funny because like it has a good amount of coverage, but it looks very natural. I'm gonna stop talking and apply it so you can see like, you know, what it looks like. Also, I do 3 pumps to get a full face. Somewhat full face, you know what I mean? Keeping in mind that the sponge absorbs the product. So I just dab it and blend down my neck and stuff. So this is what it looks like applied. I really like how it looks. It definitely took a little bit of getting used to and just like testing out different ways to apply it and stuff. I forgot to mention I am in the shade 170, and like I said, I was color matched at Sephora. This product, I do believe it oxidizes, because I don't know, sometimes it looks like it's a little bit too dark for me, but that might be just because like I'm so used to using such light foundations. But I don't know, I like how it looks. It matches my neck and it covers up my redness and like any type of breakout or anything. So I don't know, I would give it a try and see what you think. Okay, so for concealer, I have never tried this product before. I got it for Christmas in, again, one of those Sephora kits, and it's the YSL Yves Saint Laurent, whatever. What is it called? Radiant Touch. I think it's like a concealer brightener something, I don't really know. So it looks like you just pump out the product. Might take a moment. How many clicks does it take to get to the center of the click? Hello? Oh, it's coming up. Okay. I can't tell if this is gonna be too dark on me, but literally we're gonna find out, right? Maybe I should use the mirror. Okay, let's give it a whirl. You ever just like say something and you're just like, why do you talk? Oh god. I mean, it blends out really nicely.
I don't know.
Yeah, it just like really melts into the skin, honestly, so that's good. I think the color was good. I don't know if it did any brightening. Can you tell? It definitely blended right in, so that's good. Now to set my under eye and the rest of my face, the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal setting powder is what I'm gonna be using. So this is what it looks like. It like pops open and it has a little heart. Can you, oh my god, the powder is going everywhere. I need help. I'm gonna pour some into the cap and really just hope for the best. Okay, so I'm gonna use my damp beauty blender again and just pop that underneath my eyes and just blend it. I'm not really baking, I'm just more or less setting it. Honestly, it reminds me a lot of the Laura Mercier one, which is my go-to, the one I use every day. So hopefully it's just as good, if not better. I don't really like to set my whole face because I do like a little bit of dewiness, but just in the areas that I get, you know, oily, whatever. It's set really nicely. So next product I'm going to be using is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12 hour blush in Party. Has a lot of A's in it, and it's just this really pretty light pink mauve type of shade. Normally I hate blush, I never wear blush, but this is really pretty, I like it. So I'm just applying this to the apples of my cheeks very light-handedly because I don't like a lot of blush, but I do like a little bit of, you know, something. By the way, that blush came in a little duo with a liquid lipstick from Tarte, which was a birthday present gift thing from Sephora, and I just redeemed it when I ordered my, like, what I wanted for Christmas, so it kind of is for Christmas. Now for highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Vanilla Quartz, and I believe this is the lightest one that they have, I think. I don't know, but I really like it. I think it's really pretty. I need to, okay, we see you, boo. I love that so much. Wow. For bronzer, I did not get a new bronzer, so I'm just sticking with my go-to Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I like to use the brush that came with to carve out my cheekbones and a little bit on my forehead, a little bit on the jawline. And then I just take a big fluffy brush and just blend it out and kind of blend everything together so there's no harsh lines or anything. So now before I start with the eye makeup, I'm just going to set my entire face using the Urban Decay All Nighter makeup setting spray, long lasting, oil free. Comes with 2 covers. The packaging is really nice actually. And I think I used to have this because I got it as a free gift or something. I don't really remember, honestly. But if I did use this, it definitely wasn't this packaging. It was like the white one. So that was a while ago. So I can't really remember if I liked it or not. But the mist was really fine and nice, and like it dries really fast. So we'll see how long it lasts, you know. So for my eyebrows, normally I use the dip brow. Normally my eyebrows are like fairly good, like they're pretty much very full and everything, but sometimes I like to, like, you know, do a little something something. But today I'll be using the Brow Wiz in medium brown, which I don't know if that's my shade, but we're just gonna go with it, from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I believe this is the one that everyone uses, right? Because it came in like the cult favorite set or whatever. So I'm just gonna try and see what happens. It comes with a little spoolie too, which is good. So I'm just gonna spoolie my eyebrows quickly. I did have a pimple in the front of my eyebrow. Ooh, wow, okay. Yeah, I did have a pimple in the front of my eyebrow. So basically wow, wait, I actually really like this, I think. Basically I plucked all the hairs out of the pimple thinking that it would make the pimple go away. Not like stupidly, because now I don't have it in front of my eyebrow. Granted, it's growing back or whatever, but like still. So how does that look? I feel like it's super natural, like you can't really mess it up, if that makes sense. It's like super natural looking. Wow, okay, I really like this product. Now I'm just gonna be taking the Wet n Wild Mega Clear mascara just as a eyebrow gel. And it was definitely clear when I bought it. However, over time, that different products, you know, mix with it, whatever. There we go. Alright, so now we're gonna get into the eye look. I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This has been a holy grail go-to for a while, so nothing new here, obviously. I did get the Clover palette from Too Faced. Look how pretty it is. I'm so excited. So I really wanted to use the shade Good Boy, which is like this really cool sunflower yellow golden. I'm really into the mustard tone colors. So I looked up how other people were doing it, and I found on the Too Faced YouTube channel this girl who does makeup videos. She like did it look. So I'm using inspiration from that. So I'll link it down below. In hopes that it helps you. So it looks like she started by taking Chihuahua and Good Boy, so this nice light transition shade with the mustardy color, and she put that in the crease. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. And then taking it underneath the lash line as well. I'm taking Fur Baby, which is a little bit of a darker transition shade, and putting that all over my lid. still looks like I got punched in the eye. So then I'm taking Fur Baby and putting it underneath the lash line as well. Trying to tie this whole look together, I guess. Okay, so now I'm just taking like a bigger fluffy brush to try and like blend everything together basically. So then to highlight, I'm taking this white sort of sparkly shade. So that's it for the eyeshadow. And for lashes, I'm going to be using these faux mink ones from Ardell. They look like this, pretty nice and wispy and fun. Alright, so I did the lashes, and this is the first time I'm using these lashes, and they're really like ba ba boom. I'm really living for them, honestly. I also did a flick of winged eyeliner using the Urban Decay Ink for Eyes Waterproof Precision Eye Pen. That's such a weird name. And I paid $1 for this at TJ Maxx. Don't sleep on TJ Maxx, guys. Like I don't know how many times to tell you. TJ Maxx. And then for mascara, I used the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara. Look how cool this packaging is. Like, yeah, the packaging really sold me, but the mascara is bomb too, so check it out. For lips, as usual, I'm just applying some coconut oil. And as we let that dry, I'm gonna be choosing what lip I should wear. I think the purple would be really fun, but then like a nude would look nice too. Because I'm me and I'm extra, I'm gonna use the purple, but just so you know, like a nude would look good too, so. But purple it is. By the way, this one was the Too Faced Melted Matte in Sellout, which is really nice, pretty nude if you wanted to know what color it was. And this is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Sinner. So I'm gonna apply this off camera because I suck at applying liquid lipsticks, like especially this type of color. No honey. So let me go apply this and I'll be right back. And here I am back with poorly applied lipstick. Ha! So guys, this completes the makeup look of makeup I used that I got for Christmas. And I hope you guys liked how this makeup look turned out. I actually really like it. The look came out a little bit extra and vampy, which like that speaks to my soul. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and put on like the bell notification thing so you are notified when I upload a new video. And definitely leave me some comments of videos you would like to see in the future. And I will see you next time. Bye guys!